Imagine this. You reach for your phone, your constant companion, your digital lifeline, only to realize it's not there. Your heart skips a beat as you pat your pockets, check your bag, and scan the table. And then it hits you. It's gone. That sinking feeling of panic sets in, and your mind races through every possible scenario. Did you leave it somewhere? Was it stolen? Is someone else holding your entire digital world in their hands? You retrace your steps: coffee shop, bus, pocket, even the lost and found. But no luck. The realization grows heavier with each passing minute. Losing your phone isn't just about the device itself. It's about losing access to your memories, your contacts, your banking apps, and your private messages. It's your photos, your notes, your schedule, and even your identity, all suddenly out of reach. The real fear? It's not just about losing the phone. It's about the possibility that someone else now has access to your digital life, your personal information, your social media, your financial details. That's why acting fast is crucial. The sooner you try to track your phone, the better your chances of recovering it and protecting your data. Standard apps like Find My Phone or Google's Find My Device are great first steps. But what if they fail? What if your phone is offline or the thief has disabled tracking? That's when it's time to get more technical. Today, we'll explore a powerful method, using Kali Linux and your phone's unique IMEI number to track it down. This approach goes beyond the basics and taps into the world of cybersecurity. This isn't your average tracking app. It's hands-on, requiring curiosity, technical know-how, and a strong sense of caution. You'll need to understand the tools and the risks involved. We'll break down the concepts, the tools you'll need, and the ethical boundaries you must respect. It's important to remember that with great power comes great responsibility. By the end of this chapter, you'll have a clear understanding of how IMEI tracking works, what's possible, and why it must always be used responsibly and legally. So let's dive in together and see how you can take control in a digital crisis, arming yourself with knowledge and the right tools to protect what matters most. Remember, knowledge is power, but it's up to you to use it wisely and ethically. Let's get started. Every phone has a unique 15-digit IMEI. Think of it as your device's fingerprint. It's hard-coded into your phone and used by networks to identify devices. Even if someone swaps your SIM, the IMEI stays the same. You can find it by dialing *6 or checking your phone's box. Carriers use IMEI to track, block, or blacklist stolen phones, making them useless to thieves. IMEI tracking doesn't give you a GPS pin, but it can reveal the general area your phone last connected to a cell tower. In a pinch, knowing the neighborhood is a huge step toward recovery. When most people lose their phone, their first instinct is to turn to the built-in tracking features, like Apple's Find My app. This tool is designed for convenience, letting you quickly locate your device on a map, play a sound, or even lock it remotely. It's a lifesaver for those everyday moments when your phone slips between couch cushions or gets left behind at a coffee shop. Android users have a similar option with Find My Device, which offers many of the same features: real-time location, remote locking, and even erasing your data if you think your phone is gone for good. These services are impressively accurate and incredibly user-friendly, making them the go-to solution for most people. As long as your phone is connected to the internet, you can pinpoint its location within seconds, giving you peace of mind and a quick path to recovery. But there's a catch. If your phone is turned off, runs out of battery, or someone removes the SIM card, these standard tracking methods hit a wall. Suddenly, your device becomes invisible, and the apps can't help you anymore. That's where Kali Linux enters the picture. Unlike the mainstream apps, Kali Linux is a powerful toolkit built for cybersecurity professionals and ethical hackers. It's not designed for the average user, but it opens up a whole new world of possibilities when traditional tracking fails. With Kali, you can approach tracking from a completely different angle by leveraging the IMEI number of your device. Instead of relying on the phone's own software, you use network-level tools to search for clues from cell towers and other infrastructure, piecing together the last known whereabouts of your device. This method is far more technical and requires a deep understanding of networks and security tools. It's not as straightforward or reliable as using Find My or Find My device, but for those with the skills, it can be a last resort option when all else fails. Instead of simply asking your phone where it is, you're essentially asking the entire network where it last saw your device. This can sometimes reveal valuable information, especially if the phone briefly connected to a tower before going offline. However, this approach is complex, less precise, and there's no guarantee of success. It's a unique avenue for those willing to dive deep into the technical side, but it's not for the faint of heart or those looking for a quick fix. If you're ready to get technical and explore beyond the basics, Kali Linux offers a suite of tools that dig deeper than any typical app. It's a powerful resource for those who truly need it. Just remember, this approach is meant for desperate situations, not for everyday use. Always respect privacy and legal boundaries when using advanced tracking tools. Before you start, let's be clear. Tracking phones is a legal and ethical minefield. Laws vary, but accessing telecom networks without permission is usually illegal. Only use these methods for your own lost or stolen device, never someone else's. Unauthorized tracking is a serious crime, even if it's a friend or family member. The tools we discuss are for passive listening or public data, not hacking into carrier systems. Always stay within the law. Use open source intelligence, not illegal access. If your phone is stolen, file a police report and provide your IMEI. Only law enforcement can compel carriers to release precise location data. Think of these tools as ways to gather clues, not as a replacement for official channels. Respect privacy, follow the law, and use your knowledge responsibly. When in doubt, let the professionals handle it. Ready to get started? First, set up Kali Linux safely. Use a virtual machine, not your main computer. Download VirtualBox free and the official Kali Linux image for VirtualBox. Install VirtualBox, then import the Kali image, usually a .ovia file. Accept the default settings and start the virtual machine. Log in with the default credentials, usually Kali, for both username and password. You'll see a desktop with a terminal. This is where you'll work. Using a virtual machine keeps your main system safe and makes cleanup easy. Take a moment to explore the Kali environment. Familiarize yourself with the terminal. It's your main tool here. Don't rush. Understanding your setup is key before moving forward. Once comfortable, you're ready to hunt for the right tracking tool. Let's move on to finding the software you'll need. With Kali running, it's time to find an IMEI tracking tool. Most Kali tools focus on Wi-Fi or web security, so you'll need to search for open source options on sites like GitHub. Look for tools that query public cell tower databases. These map towers worldwide. The tool should help you match your IMEI to a cell tower's ID and location code. Download the tool using git clone in the terminal, then follow the README for setup and dependencies. Always read the documentation carefully. Each tool is different. Install any required packages, then get ready to run your first search. Remember, stick to well-maintained, reputable projects. Here's how it works in theory. The tool searches public or leaked datasets for your IMEI. If it finds a match, it retrieves the cell tower ID and location code, ELISA, your phone last connected to. Next, it uses open databases like OpenCellID to map those codes to GPS coordinates. This gives you a rough location, usually the area around a specific cell tower. The catch? Real-time data is held by carriers, so public tools rely on old or incomplete info. Most results are historical, not live. Still, even a rough clue can help you or law enforcement narrow the search. It's not hacking, it's searching public breadcrumbs. Manage your expectations. This is a shot in the dark, not a guaranteed solution. Suppose you get a result, a cell tower's coordinates. This means your phone was last seen somewhere within that tower's range. In cities, that could be a few hundred meters. In rural areas, several kilometers. Sometimes you might get signal strength data, helping you estimate how close the phone was to the tower. If you're lucky enough to get data from multiple towers, triangulation can narrow the area further. But remember, the info could be outdated and your phone may have moved. Treat this as a starting point, not a final answer. Never try to recover a stolen phone yourself. Always involve the police. Provide them with your findings and let them handle the recovery. Your safety comes first. Use the data to assist, not replace, law enforcement. Think of this as a lead, not a solution. IMEI tracking with Kali Linux might sound intriguing, but in reality, it's a long shot. Think of it more as a valuable learning experience rather than a guaranteed solution for finding your lost phone. While exploring these advanced tools can teach you a lot about cybersecurity and digital forensics, they're not a reliable fix for most people. Instead, focus your efforts on proven, official methods that are designed to actually help you recover your device and protect your information. Always start with the basics. Use official tools like Find My Device for Android or Find My iPhone for Apple devices. These services are built into your phone's operating system and offer the most straightforward way to locate, lock, or erase your device remotely. Make sure these features are enabled before you ever lose your phone, so you're prepared if the worst happens. If your phone goes missing, act quickly. Lock your device to prevent unauthorized access. Display a contact message so a good Samaritan can reach you, and erase your data if you believe your phone is truly lost or stolen. Taking these steps immediately can make a huge difference in protecting your personal information. Don't forget to report the loss to your mobile carrier as soon as possible. Provide them with your IMEI number so they can blacklist the device and deactivate your SIM card. This helps prevent anyone from using your phone on their network and protects you from potential fraud or misuse. It's also important to file a police report. Only law enforcement agencies have the authority and resources to access real-time tracking data from carriers or take further action if your phone is stolen. Having an official report can also help with insurance claims or recovering your device. To prepare for the future, use strong passcodes or biometric locks. Enable tracking features and back up your data regularly to the cloud or another secure location. These habits ensure that even if your device is lost, your information stays safe and you can restore it to a new phone with minimal hassle. When your phone is secure and your data is backed up, losing your device becomes an inconvenience rather than a disaster. You'll be able to get back on track quickly without losing precious memories, contacts, or important files. Remember, the best defense is prevention. Don't wait for a crisis to start thinking about your digital security. Take proactive steps now to protect your devices and your personal information. Use technical tools wisely, but always rely on official channels and good security habits first. Advanced methods can be interesting to explore, but they're no substitute for the basics. Stay safe, stay prepared, and keep your data protected, because your digital life deserves the best defense you can give it.